once I received my invitation, I was happy to do it. My wife has attended several of these in the past, including one in Poland. So I'm enjoying it very much. I've met some suppliers I have not met before and want to do business with them, and plus some great agents.
This is my first time to the Family Forum. I'm absolutely loving it. I've learned a lot, great connections, not only with vendors, but with agents. It's how you learn. You listen, you talk, you come to these things. It's been great. I'll be back.
The Travel Agent Family Forum is fantastic, and I do recommend it to people that have been in the business for a while to continue learning, and also for people new in the business. It's very good to get your foot in the door as far as meeting different vendors and establishing that relationship to help further and create more business for you.
My takeaway from the Family Travel Advisor Forum really is how important it is to get to know what the clients are looking for and how we can match up the prospective suppliers and destinations with what they want out of their vacation, because it truly is their family memories that are at stake, not mine.
This is my first time at the Family Advisor Forum, and I love how family-centered everything is. It really talks about the unique experiences for this niche of my clientele.
The advisors that are here are fantastic. The meetings are extremely well arranged. Everything has been planned out impeccably, and we've got a great host. So there's a reason why we at AIC Hotel Group have a very high involvement in all of the events put on by this group, because whether it's the Romance Travel Forum, the Family Travel Forum, the European Travel Forum, we always find a way to connect with quality agents in our business and find new contacts to really help grow mutually with a lot of great partners. So it's been a fantastic experience so far.
It's about making connections, networking, and supporting the travel agency community, specifically those that focus on the family vacation market.